this video, I'm going to show you how you can register as a reseller on the Recharge app platform. So the first thing we need to do to register as a reseller is you need to go to the Recharge app platform, whether you're using the website or you're using the application. So we're on the website, and if you do not know how to register on the Recharge app platform, or if you don't know how to sign up, you can just check out the previous video that I made, which is how to register and fund your wallet on the Recharge app platform. So for this video, I'm going to start from just logging in. So to log in into your account, you can just click on login here, over here, or you can click on the get started button over here. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to the login page. Now if you want to register, you can just click on the register now and register your account. But I'm not going to register any account in this video. I'm just going to log in and I'm going to get straight to the point. So I'm going to put my information over here. So I've done putting my information. Now I've clicked on the login button. So as you can see, we have logged in into our account, and what we need to do now is to unlock our account by inserting our 4-digit PIN. So I'm going to input my 4-digit PIN over here, and then I'm going to click on the proceed button over here. Right now we're logged in into our account. So now to register as a reseller, the next thing we are going to do now is to click on the menu button over here. So this is the web version. I'm going to show you how you can do this on the mobile phone, so no need to worry. This was just on using the web for this. So you need to click on the hamburger button over here. So once you click on the hamburger button, you see the become a reseller over here. Can you see this? So once you click on this, it's open. Now you see the reseller pricing and discounts. So now kindly note that you'll be charged 2,500 to upgrade to reseller package. Do you understand? 2,500 is what you're going to be charged. And then for airtime you get 2% discount. For data you get 4% discount. You can click on the price list over here to see how much you will be charged. Now if I click on the price list, you can see now for MCN SME I'll be charged 272 naira and 21 kobo. For 2 gig it will be 544 naira 42 kobo. So you can just go through the data prices and check whether if you are satisfied with the prices as a seller, you can continue. Then you can check the price for the TV cables and for the educational pins. Any prices you want to check, they are all available. So for the ones that don't have prices, are just airtime and electricity bill. Since I want to become a reseller, I will need to have 2,500 on my account. Now if I click on upgrade over here, you can see they said insufficient funds to upgrade, kindly fund your wallet to try and become a reseller. So I don't have 2,500 on my account over here, so I need to fund my wallet to become a reseller. Now let's just go to the mobile data. For example, let me show you how much it costs for 1 gig data on a regular account. So if I go to MTN SME, you can see that right now 1 gig is at 284 naira and 2 gig is at 567 naira. Please take note of this because I'm going to show you the difference of what a regular account gets and what a reseller account gets. So 1 gig is 284 naira. That is for 1 gig as a regular account. That's all you pay if you want to buy 1 gig. So since I don't have funds on my wallet, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to fund my wallet. Now to fund your wallet, you just need to click on the fund wallet button over here, and then you see the automatic funding account. This is the automatic funding account. This is your account number that you're going to be depositing your funds if you want to fund your wallet. So I'm going to copy this account number and I'm going to go to my bank account and I'm going to send funds into this wallet.
A few moments later.
So guys, I funded my wallet with 2,500. Now what I'm going to do is to close this tab over here, this page, and then I'm going to refresh this website. So as you can see, our funds now is 2,863 naira. I've added 2,500 into this wallet. So now the next thing we're going to do is to register for our reseller, because now we have the funds available on our wallet. So to register for the reseller, you just need to go back, click on the menu, go to become a reseller over here. Once you click on it, you can check out the price again, or you just go straight to upgrade. Click on the upgrade button over here, and once you click on it, you have successfully become a reseller. So it says that I have successfully become a reseller. Before, I was having basic plan over here. If you looked at the video, you can watch the video again. I was having basic plan over here. Now I'm having reseller over here. Now I am a reseller user. Now if I go back and I want to buy data, and then I select the same SME. Before, it was at 286 naira, if I'm correct, 286 naira per gig. Now it's 272 naira per gig. So there's over around 14 naira difference for people who register as reseller. If you do 10 transactions, you are saving 100 naira, 140 naira. If you do 100 transactions, that is like a 1400 naira, you see. So I believe that there's more profits if you become a reseller. Now let me show you how you can do this on your mobile phone using our application to become a reseller. So guys, we're on our mobile device, and I want to show you guys how you can become a reseller using the mobile application. So once you open the application, the first thing you need to do is log in into your account. So I'm going to log into my account right now. And once I've inserted my information, that is my email and my password, I'm going to click on the login button. And then I'm going to insert my 4-digit PIN, which I created when I created my account. So after I've put my PIN, I'm going to click on the proceed button over here. So now I'm logged in into my account. So to register as a reseller, all you just need to do is to go to the menu button over here. Once you click on the menu button, you see this menu is going to pop up. Right now, we have already registered as a reseller. This is my reseller account. You can see reseller over here at the top menu. So on this reseller discount, you're going to see become a reseller. But since I've already registered it, you see reseller discount. So I'm going to click on the reseller discount over here. So this is the reseller discount page, right? So you can see the prices and the discount you get. But if you have not registered, you will see the upgrade to reseller over here with the cancel kind of button. So you see the upgrade button, which will cost you 2,500, like I showed you on the website. So this video is just to show you where you find it on the mobile device. So if you're using the mobile application, this is where you get it. So just go to the menu, and then you are going to see the become a reseller, and you'll be able to upgrade to reseller by clicking on the upgrade button. But note that you have to fund your wallet if you don't have 2,500. So if to fund your wallet, you just click on this green button over here, and once you click on the green button, you see the automatic funding account. So how to create your automatic funding account has already been talked about in the previous video, so just go and check it out. So guys, if you got value in this video, please leave a like, drop a comment if you have a question to ask, and I'm going to reply that on the comment section. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get notified anytime we drop a valuable video just like this, and I'll see you on my next video.